Welcome back, Towners. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, Towners. Here we are. We have our turkey. This is about an 18-pound turkey for Thanksgiving. I didn't show the previous process of this, but basically what we did was we went ahead and just seasoned it. We did a dry brine, seasoned it, and put it into the fridge overnight. We also took some butter and seasoned it and rubbed it underneath the skin, and we injected it with some Tony Satchrai jalapeno butter injection. We did all that last night and just popped it in the fridge overnight. This is how it looked after it came out of the refrigerator, uncovered overnight. So what we're going to do now is we have our oven set for 500 degrees, and we're going to pop it in the oven for an hour and then throw it on the grill. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we have our turkey in the oven. It's 500 degrees and about an hour, 11 o'clock. Got a later start than I wanted to. I wanted to get this in the oven at 9 so I can get on the grill at 10, but I'm tired, y'all. Right here, we got some greens going, and we also got to prep this ham. But we'll be back. All right, guys, here is our ham. I'm going to wrap this up in foil and throw it on the grill. Got the grill going already. Still trying to figure out what type of glaze I'm going to put on top of this. I think I'm going to go with this strawberry rosé skinny girl sugar-free jelly preserves, and mix it with basically like a brown sugar glaze. So I'm going to work on that. It's actually 11 o'clock right on the dot. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and take this out of the oven. So let's get to that. All right, took that out of the oven. Here is the turkey. So this was in the oven at 500 for an hour. Don't worry about the darkness on that. That's basically the seasoning on top. Flavor bombs. Let me taste it. It's actually not burnt. It tastes just like seasoning. But we'll go ahead and pop this in the oven. I'm sorry, in the grill. And we're back. I always forget. It's supposed to be foil fried. No. Like the shiny side is supposed to be out, and dull side is supposed to be inward. Yeah. I think. Are they directed like you? The directions? I don't read no directions. All right. Should I leave this pan here? Should I leave it in this pan? Or should I close? I probably want to close. It'll go sideways, but then that might mess with the ham. Will the ham still fit like that? That work? Pushing it. Nope. Playing Tetris here. What's Tetris?
That's the outside little silver part.
Yeah, or
That's fine.
I'll just take it out. It might burn. Well, this pan will protect it, but we don't use this pan for nothing else except for cooking turkey. So it might just be super black after. So let's try this. Is it hot?
You should use the pan and then take it off.
Can you move this pan?
Is it hot?
No.
That's close it. There's no other way to do it.
Alright, I'll do that. And if it gets too hot,
Somebody asked me that.
just in case we're gonna temp this.
I have to use an iPhone.
Do you?
Yes, I do. Salt, but I'll do that at the end.
In one of those small making cups. Alright, a spoon. Maybe a spoon.
Am I gonna be in it?
I'm about to pause this video. I'm about to pause this video.
What? I feel relaxing on this. It's a glaze.
Oh my gosh.
Tastes good?
Here's our ham. Here's our strawberry brown sugar glaze. And we're just gonna start basting. here is our turkey. I wrapped the foil around the outside so it'll help with the heat source, because the heat is down there hitting on this side of it. So I want to just protect that side so it doesn't get too dark. Yeah, and we're going. All right, guys, I believe we are done. Here is our turkey. The leg and the thigh and separated from the breast over here. Got a lot of juice in here. And here is our ham. Been basting it, got a lot of liquid in there coming off that ham. Have to be careful bringing that in the house. But here is our turkey and ham.
Daddy.
Yes.
What?
So watch out, second. 1 second, second.
He said 2 times already. He said it's incredible.
Either because we always
What should I all right.
fingers in our nose. Yes.
That's my piece right there. Look at that.
Looks good.
Where am I put him at?
Well, the kids don't sign, so I just grabbed it and spread it. I don't like that kind of salad.
Okay.
I know, but I like this kind of salad dressing. I like this kind of salad dressing. I like this kind of salad dressing.
Oh, you don't like that kind of dressing?
I do like this kind of.
That's cornbread dressing, Tiana, and that is salad dressing.
Is this salad dressing?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like cornbread dressing. I like salad dressing.
Oh, okay.
All right, this is all the food that we made. We have our grilled turkey, our strawberry and brown sugar glazed ham, some on the going basically counterclockwise. We have some fried cabbage, some cauliflower mashed potatoes. My sister-in-law brought some regular macaroni and cheese and some cranberry sauce, some kind of like a dirty rice here, just some cauliflower rice mixed with sausage and some vegetables, greens, almond flour stuffing, and then some regular cauliflower mac and cheese. This is the plate that we had. My plate, I got two plates here. I was done after this. I tried to knock this down as best as I could, but I can't knock food out like I used to. After this, I only finished like 3/4 of this, but I was done. That's the only thing I had and ate all day. But hope you guys enjoyed this recipe or the video here. If you have any questions or comments, as always, hit us up in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching.
Enjoy. And please subscribe. Enjoy.
Hey Towners, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. All ingredients and directions are listed in the description box below each video. And as always, thank you guys for watching.